guys, today we are making sweet potato souffle. We use 2 cans of sweet potatoes. We have those mashed. They're all smoothly mashed. You want them to, you can either mash them or you can use a hand mixer and mix them so they're nice and smooth. So we have a stick of butter that we're going to add in. We have I believe it's a third of a cup, yep, of milk. It is. We're going to mix in 3 beaten eggs, and we're going to get that all mixed up. My sister and I would have sweet potato cook-offs at Thanksgiving, and we usually, with the sweet potatoes, I usually won the sweet potatoes and she usually won the stuffing. So I forgot the vanilla because it was over on the side over there. So we're gonna mix in a teaspoon and a quarter. It doesn't have to be precise. And once we mix this all in, get that incorporated. So obviously you mix that in with your dry ingredient. Get that all incorporated, and then we're going to mix in the dry, which is a cup of sugar. We're gonna add that in there. And then we're gonna go with our pinch of salt. And we're gonna get that mixed up.
Smells good already.
It smells delicious. You can smell that vanilla and the sugar, the butter. Okay, so all that is incorporated. You're gonna wanna scrape down the sides and kind of make that neat. You can even go in there with a paper towel, which my dad usually does that and cleans up the bowl. To bring in the ingredients for our topping, which is the pineapple topping that goes on top. We are going to take a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. You want to cook the pineapple to get a nice golden crust on top, so that's why I typically try to get as much juice out as I can so that it is able to, the sugar and the pineapple crystallize, and it causes that browning around the edges, and that's the part that everybody fights over. Mix in 1 stick of butter. This obviously is not a healthy sweet potato recipe, but again, like I said, absolutely worth it. We're gonna mix in 3 eggs to the topping. So now we're gonna mix in 2/3 cup of sugar, and it's just regular white sugar. And lastly, we have a 1/3 cup of all-purpose pre-sifted flour. And we're gonna get that all mixed in. Now I'm gonna take the topping and I'm gonna pour it over the pineapple. You wanna evenly pour that over. And evenly distribute it around the top of the sweet potato.
We have a 2.5 pound pork tenderloin. We want to take it out of the package and we want to pat it down and get it nice and dry. We have our paper towels here. And just kind of split apart a little bit, which is actually better because when we put our rub on, it'll get in there. Actually, it's split into 2 different pieces. Look at that. We pre-made our rub, used 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper, 3 teaspoons of kosher salt, 6 cloves of crushed garlic. All right, and we're gonna sprinkle this on.
That's exactly what you want to see. You see all the brown around the edges? And then the bubbling down here. It's exactly what you want to see. Perfect. And now the brown sugar garlic pork roast is going in. And this is going to go in at, what's the temperature?
425.
And that, you check it in about 25 minutes. I guess it's done.
We're done. Those look good. Dinner's ready. Pork's juicy, tender, delicious, garlicky. You're gonna love this dish.
I think they liked it.
Dry rubs are good for meats that cook at higher heats for shorter amounts of time. Oh my God. And you can tell I'm Italian because my pinky's sticking straight up in the air. I hope you brought your appetite.
Because when you're with us, you know what they say.
You know what we say.
You gotta eat.
No, you know what we say.
I hate you.
I know you do.
Because when you're with us,
You know what we say.
you
You gotta eat.